Not every hunt ends in triumph, and not every prey falls easily. Across the vast plains of the Serengeti, lions hunt with cold precision, claws sharpened, fangs ready, and tactics honed by generations. They wait for the perfect moment. They target the weak. But this time, their prey is no ordinary victim. They face the African buffalo, a symbol of unity, strength, and defiance. These beasts don't flee. They stand their ground, and they fight back. As dust erupts beneath pounding hooves and roars echo across the savannah, predator and prey collide like crashing storms. A horn swings like a hammer. A paw strikes like lightning. Every second is a gamble between life